Good evening, Rutgers University, and thank you for tuning in here on this Monday night, January 28th, start of the second week of school here in New Brunswick. And last week, it was a really cold week to start out the semester. Temperatures were not even breaking the 20-degree mark during the day, and some nights were in the single digits. This week, we won't have that. In fact, we'll be on a roller coaster ride up and down in temperatures, ranging from 62, possibly Wednesday, to lower 30s at the end of the week. More on that later, but first, for today's weather, we have a winter weather advisory that's in effect for northwest New Jersey. So this is not in effect here in New Brunswick, but I'll mention it here because it is in our state. For Morris, Passaic, Sussex, and Warren counties, again, northwest Jersey, for that freezing drizzle accumulation of 0.05 to 0.15 accumulation. A little bit of ice can make it really dangerous, and that is in effect until 5 a.m. Tuesday morning. Now for today, our high temperature in New Brunswick is 34 degrees, so we didn't see that much ice accumulation because the temperature was above 32 degrees. Our average for this time of year is 40, and average low is 22. And now we can take a look at the high temperatures that occurred today across the Northeast. Pretty uniform across the area. We have 32 degrees up north in Albany and Hartford. They got more ice and snow accumulation than we did. Newark 34, Camden 35. Much warmer down in Washington, D.C., 45 degrees, and 33 degrees out here in Pennsylvania. Now you can take a look into tonight's forecast for the temperatures. 30 degrees up north. We have a 33 degree temperature here in Newark, New Jersey, 34 in Camden. A little warmer down in D.C., 36, and 31 in State College. Now this is our radar as of 8:15 this evening, and you can see some light drizzle across north central Jersey, and that will persist throughout the night, and that is why the winter weather advisory is in effect for the northern portion of the state, is because the temperatures will be below freezing, so a little drizzle can make some ice accumulation hazardous on the roads later tonight, so be careful out there. And now for our national satellite, here's what's going around the nation right now. This is a low pressure affecting us here in New Jersey. We are on the warmer side of things because we are on the eastern side of the low, so the warm air is coming up in advance of that. That's why we saw rain today, not snow. And we have a high pressure down in the south, and meanwhile there's another low pressure out here in the west, giving some snow accumulation out in the Rockies. But for tonight, we'll take a look at 30 to 32 degrees. So again, even around New Brunswick, some icing could occur on the roads and side streets, especially if the roads aren't salted and treated. So we'll deal with the rain and drizzle tonight with a west wind of 6 to 8 miles an hour. And for tomorrow, you might get a peak of sunshine, but I don't think it's going to happen with cloudy skies around for most of the day. We haven't seen 39 degrees in over a week, so that might feel warm to some people with a west-northwest wind at 5 miles an hour. And for your Tuesday afternoon forecast, it's going to be warming up to 46 degrees, much warmer, warmer for this time of year, above average actually. Cloudy but drizzly with a west wind at 5 miles an hour. And for your Tuesday night, only a low of 40 degrees here in New Brunswick, and there will be areas of drizzle and fog around, so watch out for tomorrow night as visibilities can be low with the fog around. And as I step out for the extended outlook, you can see the weather on Tuesday. Like I said, it's going to be cloudy, temperature of 46, low of 40, with that fog moving in Tuesday night. Wednesday looks to be an interesting day, but really mild and warm with 62 degrees. Heavy rain in the afternoon and possibly a thunderstorm is likely Wednesday evening as a cold front pushes through with a low of 42 degrees. Thursday we could have some lingering showers in the morning, clearing out for later in the day. Cooler though compared to Wednesday with a high of 44 degrees. And really cooling down for Friday and Saturday here with temperatures near freezing both Friday and Saturday with lows in the lower 20s. Now you can always check us out on RUTV Channel 6 every 15 minutes. Or you can like us on Facebook or follow us on Twitter, just search RU Weather Watcher. And you can search for more information at rutv.rutgers.edu. I'm Andrew Fisher, and have a great evening.